Hey everyone, and welcome back to another very exciting video here on my channel. Today I am going to be showing you all mine and my husband's brand new house. So in this video, this was actually the first day that we received our keys, so we decided to run right over there. So I'm just going to be showing you all a little empty house tour and yeah, kind of just talk through some of my inspiration for each of our rooms. So yes, let's go ahead and get started. So this is what you see when you first walk into our front door. We have this large storage closet right off each of the entryways, which is perfect for all of our shoes and coats and other things like that. We also have the door right here, which leads out to the garage. And of course, you can get to other rooms of the house through a couple different ways. If you're kind of coming off of the garage, you're gonna go first right into the kitchen, and then going through the front door, it kind of leads you either to the downstairs, to the living room, as well as like a hallway where some of the bedrooms are and things like that, but we will obviously get into all of that. So first, let's go ahead and go into the living room, which is kind of like an open concept with the dining room. And kind of where I'm standing right now is where I'm thinking that we're gonna put our couch, and then looking at the wall straight ahead, that's where our entertainment center is gonna go. Our main color palette for our house is white, gray, and black, but I'm thinking for our living room, I kind of wanna have a little bit of a pop of color by getting like a really like retro accent share. I don't really know what color yet, but that's just something I've always wanted. Here's a little sneak peek of our backyard, which is a very good size, at least for us. And now we'll go into the rest of our dining room, which obviously is connected to our kitchen. We also have a huge slider door which leads out into our deck, which we will be going out there at the end of this video. One of the things you'll probably notice about this house and that we fell in love with is all of the storage available. So here we have these built-in cabinets right in our dining room, which is perfect for seasonal dishes. We'll probably display some like wine glasses and other decorative things like that. One of my favorite parts of our kitchen, kind of the entryway area, is having these hooks and shelves right here. I've always wanted like a proper entryway for our house. Obviously this house doesn't have it, but I still love this little area right here. So there's places for people to put their coats, keys. We're definitely gonna put a little bench under there. And then we have this large pantry right here, which has some shelves that actually slide out, which is really nice. Now, before we start with the rooms upstairs, we're gonna quickly go downstairs. So when you first come downstairs, you have this open area, which is kind of like the living area. And then there's a few rooms to the right and to the left. This basement is going to be all my husband's. He has a lot of sports memorabilia. He collects other things such as like swords and knives, so I let him have the entire basement for him to do whatever he wants with, and I have the upstairs. That was the deal that we made. So as far as decorating purposes, I don't really know exactly where things are gonna go because I gave him full reins as far as decorating, so he has a place to put all of his stuff. And down in the basement, it does have this sliding door that kind of hides behind the wall. I know it has a specific name, but I cannot think of it right now. But we do have that option, which is really great. So one of the first rooms that we have down in the basement is this room, and this is actually going to be kind of like an office slash Luke's gaming room. And this desk was actually left here by the previous owners, which I'm honestly so happy that they left it. I'm gonna be actually moving this desk up to my little office upstairs. I was actually looking at desks very similar to this particular style, and so I thought it would be perfect for my office whenever I get that set up. Now we move on to our laundry room. This is definitely going to be one of the rooms that is going to be a work in progress. The old owners obviously had their washer and dryer down there, which they ended up taking with them. And then they also had like a little kitchenette down here. So they had like a dishwasher and a stove. They ended up bringing those with them, and they ended up leaving the fridge down here for us. So we did actually order a washer and dryer, which should be coming very soon. And then, of course, we're going to be, painting and doing other things to this room down the road. And in the other part of the basement, we have a full bathroom, a little storage room, and then 2 bedrooms. So the storage room is this retro thing right here. I don't really know if we're going to do too much to this room because it's literally just a storage room and where like our furnaces and everything like that. So I think we're just going to leave it as is and just put all of our extra crap down there. Then we move on to the first bedroom. This is probably going to be where our guest bedroom is going to be. And again, we have some more great storage. We have 2 closets just in this bedroom alone, which is going to be perfect just for some extra blankets for our guest bedroom and things like that. And then we'll move on to the bathroom that we have down here. I actually really like the look of this bathroom, including like the light fixtures, the vanity. They did leave these 2 mirrors in here, which I'm probably gonna paint black. And I'll definitely be filming like my little DIY projects that I'm gonna be doing for each of the bathrooms in our home. And here is the lovely seashell mermaid tub that we have downstairs, and we actually have the same one upstairs, or excuse me, this is a standing shower, and then we have a tub upstairs, which I don't know when we're going to update those, but I think we definitely will because it's not really the style that I'm going for. But it's really nice that we have a full bathroom available, for our guests downstairs as well as upstairs, which I will show you guys once we get there. And then last but not least, we have one more bedroom. This room, I think, is the only room we have no idea what to do with. Technically, this is a 5-bedroom house, which it's just me and my husband, so we don't need that many rooms. So we honestly thought about knocking down this wall just to make like the living areas a little bit bigger. And we always talked about putting a pool table in this room, which I think that's something that we'll definitely do. But what's kind of up in the air is if we want to knock down that wall or if we just want to keep it and just have a separate pool playing room. This was a child's bedroom, so what's really cute, I'm assuming this room, they might have had the 2 closets, and one of them they just took down the doors and made this cute little like bench playing area. So this will definitely be a work in progress. And now we're going to move back up to the upstairs where we have 2 other rooms and 2 other bathrooms. So first we'll start with the main bathroom for the upstairs, which again is a full bathroom, which I was kind of telling you guys beforehand. This room, we definitely are going to do a few things with it, mainly just painting, because as you can see, the cabinets are this brown color and then the walls are like this light blue. Those aren't really the colors that I'm going for, so we're definitely going to be painting this room, and then obviously just putting up some cute little decorations to finish it off. And again, some more great storage. We have 2 storage closets in this hallway alone. And I'm thinking this is where I'm going to keep all of our board games, and then in the other one, just some more like throw blankets, extra sheets. Then this room right here is going to be what I'm gonna call my office. It's kind of gonna be a room of a few different things, like my filming room, my beauty room where I'm gonna put all like my makeup and shoes and other things like that, as well as my Disney room where I'm gonna actually display all of my Disney collection in a curio cabinet that I have. And I'm thinking that the corner that I'm actually standing in, that's where my desk is gonna go, all of my other, like scrapbooking supplies, and then the corner that you're looking at straight ahead, I think I'm gonna make that my little Disney corner. So yeah, I'm just super excited that I get to finally have my own space for filming, and I don't have to continuously take my filming stuff up and down. So I'm super excited to do this room. And then we are going to move on to our bedroom, which has a little ensuite half bath in there as well. And we have 2 closets in this room that are designed the exact same. Don't have any walk-in closets, but that actually doesn't bother me. That was not a deal breaker for me. These closets are big enough for me and my husband's stuff. So again, plenty of storage in our room. And one of the things that actually sold me on this house was the fact that they have a barn door in the master bedroom, which kind of blocks off the bedroom from the bathroom. I have always wanted a barn door somewhere in my house, so when I saw that, I was like, yes, sold, let's move in right away. And then when you go into the bathroom in the master, everything is all updated. The shower, the tiling on the floor, everything is just gorgeous, totally my style. So overall, the entire bathroom, including the door, I was just super excited about. And we are actually going to end this empty house tour out on our deck, which as you can see is a pretty good sized deck. So yeah, like I said, that is it for this empty house tour. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy house related DIY videos, there's gonna be plenty of those to come, hopefully in the near future. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, I want to welcome you, and I hope that you subscribe. And yeah, I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone!